Today we're going to replace a vent window on a Kia Amanti. It's a 2006 Amanti. I'm going to show you how it's done. The first thing you want to do is lower this window here. You want to lift this weather strip up along the top, and there's a little Phillips screwdriver head in there. We take that out. That loosens it. Then we want to start taking the rubber out, and then once the rubber's out, we're going to shift this over to the left. Here's what the used assembly looks like. It's got the rubber. Alright, so we got the glass all cleared out. Instead of putting all the rubbers in, I'm just going to take the glass out of here, and we're going to try to insert it in. I hear something. What am I hearing? Alright, now that that's in, we're going to try to sneak it back in. Bottom's going to be a tough part. Alright, I couldn't worm it in, so we're going to take the door panel off, trim panel, and then we're going to loosen the bolt on this bar here. We don't want to damage that. I could slide it in if I really forced it, but I don't want to damage anything. Taking the door panel off, you're looking for screws. There's a screw hole here, there's a screw hole where the handle is. Once you get all the screws out, then you start pulling on the panel. Little clips that hold it in. Might go one behind there. So we took these off, loosen that. Loosen the other side, get this off, careful with that, take this off, and looks like it's this bolt right here, 10mm, we're going to loosen that. $10mm. Once that comes off, once that comes off, we're going to loosen this. There's another one here too. Okay, now if that's loose, we're going to be able to slide that glass right back in there. No problem. Got to clean all this glass out in there with the shop vac, suck it all out, make sure all the glass is out of the rubber. That's important because it could break. So okay, get the bottom in first, pull it back, make sure everything's good. And we want to get this rubber in right and this track back in. Showing them where this pipe from, sir. Alright, so we want to get this weather strip back in. Nice. And then we're going to work this one back in. And the last thing is to put the top screw back in for the track here. You have to line it up, so you might have to put the window down and just kind of shift it around. Shift this bar around till you see the hole. And then be careful because you don't want to crack the glass. Put the screw in slowly. Right in there. Alright. So now I got all the weather stripping in. Everything's nice and tight. The hardest part was getting that weather strip in down there. You just loosen it and pull it away from the glass and slide the weather strip down. It's hard to do, but you have to pull it away and slide it down, then get it nice and flush. Put the 10mm screws back and put it all together. And that's it. Joe Beer Master.